Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to learn how to paint this kind of a Christmas card. And I've just used a normal sheet for this one, but I'm going to show you on a very beautiful 300 GSM paper how to do this card on this sheet. So the materials that we need are watercolor paints. These watercolors I got from Temu. They are very nice quality and very beautiful pigmentation. I love using this palette, and you will notice that I've used this palette in all my Christmas card series. Other than that, we need a glass, so you can use any glass that you might have that you do not use anymore, and just to trace the circle. Then we need just one little brush, any number. This is a number 10, but you can use any round brush. We also will be needing a black pen or a black sketch pen or a marker to write Merry Christmas and do some more detailing. And very important for this particular card, we need any paper towel or any napkin that you might have. We need to use this for this particular card. Other than this, I would like to mention that if you haven't watched my other Christmas card videos, you can go and check out my channel. So these are the cards that I've already shown how to make. This is a snowman card, and we have this Christmas tree card, and then we have this beautiful winter house painting. So all of these videos are on my channel. You can go and watch them. And now let's begin with this particular card. We have clean water. So first we will take the glass, it's clean glass, and you can do the placement of this ornament, this round circular ornament. And I did it little towards the right side because I want to put the text here on the left side so it looks balanced. So, and I'm going to leave quite a lot of space at the bottom. So I'll just try and see the placement, and then I will begin to trace this. That's where I actually want it. So I'll just lightly trace it with a pencil. Now comes the fun part. So we want to do a scattered kind of blurred background, for which we are going to use a wet on wet technique, which means we are going to first of all dampen the paper, like wet the circular shape. So use water, do not over put the water, we just want it to be nicely damp. So we do not want any water puddles on it, so just use as much what is needed. One trick to check if it is nicely damp or not is that you can move around the card and check the reflection. So you will see where it is nicely wet and where it is not. This way you can easily see. So now let's drop in some colors to beautify it. So for this you can use any colors, but in this particular one I have used a mix of colors, like I used a little bit of green. You can use, like I told you, any color that you like. I used green. So we are just going to place it randomly on the card. And then next I will be using a little bit of this Payne's gray color mixed with a little bit of green. I'm going to drop this here. And I also used this red ochre color. It's a very beautiful brick kind of color, and I just use to drop it here and a little bit here, like this. And now just clean your brush. I just have water on it now, and I'm just going to go over the white spaces and try to blend all the colors all together, but I'm not going to smudge it all the way. So I'm just going to lightly cover the white spaces, and it will automatically mix the colors that we have just placed. And do not worry about the imperfections, we are going to make it fine, it will look good. And now while it is still wet, we are going to use any paper towel that you have, any napkin, and I'm going to just place it on the top and press it for a second and then just take it off. And if you think that it's way too dark, then you can do it again, which I see that it's too dark. So I need to take, yeah, this is the perfect that the colors that I wanted. Now let's begin with the outlining and the trees inside. So for that, I will use any dark color that you might have in your palette. Now it could be black, it could be dark brown, any color. So I already have this purple shade on the palette, but I'm just not going to waste this. I'm just going to add this dark brown, which is a burnt brown color in my palette, and just going to make some more color. We all might have different colors in the palette, so do not worry about the color variations. My card will also not be same even though I'm using the same palette, so doesn't matter. So when you're happy with the paint, the color, the only crux is that it should be dark enough to be able to overshadow these colors. Now take the same glass with which we traced, and then just do this, and we have some color, and try to trace it over the circle. This is how it looks, and we are going to repeat it again a few times because we want this kind of effect. Okay, so we are going to try and place at different places, a little bit different from the first one. Try to do it again, a little above. I think it looks good now. And now we are going to add our trees inside, for which I'm going to use the same brush and take the same color. And for the trees, it's very easy. We are going to make two trees, so one will be a bigger one. Just make a line, and then just try to go left and right with your brush, and as we move downwards, we are going to make it even broader. So these trees are thinner on the top and broader on the ends, so just use a dabbing motion and go towards the bottom. And when you feel you need to add more pigment or darkness, just use the color and drop it there. And we are going to do it like this, and one more small tree on the side. Also, we are going to splatter some color on it, so maybe I'll just drop some drops here, and then on the whole card I will splatter. Lastly, let's put the hanging for this ornament. So try to get the middle and then make a curve like this. And a string coming from the up like this. Let it dry, and then we will make the border and add our message, which is Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Holidays. So let's wait for it to dry. Let's now write Merry Christmas here. You can use any font. and use any gel pen or a marker. Lastly, we will add the border. So for the border, I do not like the straight lines, so I tend to use a freehand line. Everything is completely dried now, so let me erase everything that we see that is traced, and we see the pencil lines. So this is the final look, and it's very easy to make and very easy to paint as well. Anybody can do that. It's beautiful, it looks vintage. Of course, if you want to give it to someone in your family, it looks very personalized and it shows that you made effort to make a card for them. And if you enjoyed today's video, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. That means a lot to me, and till then, take care. Bye bye. I will see you guys in my next video.